Hi and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful flip card which you can use in your e-commerce store. You can use it in your different projects, you can use it in your portfolio, any kind of that related stuff. You can use these cards. If I move my cursor, I will reload the page. I will show you how it looks like. So basically this is the card. It says web developer hello world and subscribe to the channel as well. If I move my cursor on it, you can see that it scrolls and move in the backward direction, and you can see it tells you skill set and certain other things. The main concept is that if I move my cursor on the screen, it should flip. So basically it is a flip card, and if you can add 3 or 4, for example, if you 1 card, 2 card, 3 cards, if you add 3 to 4 cards in one row, you can add it to a different section. For example, if you are making a creative website and a user comes to your website and they move your cursor on the screen on this card, you can see how it flips. It will make them look very good. So before, let's go to the code, how I have made them, and how I will show you how you can copy my code as well. But before that, if you want us to make any of your website related to e-commerce or like UX UI designing, web apps, mobile apps, social SEO optimization, digital marketing, or any of that related stuff, even related stuff using Shopify, WordPress, Figma, React.js, Node.js, any of that related stuff, you can contact us on my WhatsApp number. I will also share the WhatsApp number in the description below. So let's start to the code now. This is the index.html. So basically I've literally made one class of artboard. This is the main class, and the second class is the card. So basically this is the card. So the third thing I've used is this card slide, because if I scroll down you can see it moves in the backward direction. The other thing is the card cover and card heading. This is skill set. For example, if you can see this skill set is that basically span heading, and for the card details, basically everything here is in the card details. After that, once this is done, you can see that on the first screen it says web developer hello world and subscribe. So basically this is the web developer hello world and subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. So now let's move to the CSS, because the main thing which we will be doing is with the CSS. So if I go to the CSS and start off with the top, this is basically a reset thing, or you can say basically every project I start I use this one, like a margin 0, bottom padding 0, as in box sizing border box. For the HTML I have given it a certain amount of font size, and also make it responsive on certain device size. You can just simply copy this code. Now for the body, you can say that I have given it a certain height and a background. For the artwork, I have given it display flex flow in a row, align item center, justify content center. I have given it some padding, height and position. Also for the artboard, I have given it some media query to make it responsive. Now this is basically the card style.css code. You can just simply copy this. For the card style, this is the code. You can simply copy it. I have already also added comments to it, that you don't want to see the back part and everything, you can just simply copy it and you will understand how it goes. Now for the card side format, for example, if I scroll down like this, you can just simply this is just an image. You can add your images as well. It does not really matter. Like for example, you can see the background image. For the card side back, you can use this code, and for the hover effect, this one is also for transform. If I go down, you can see that I have added the card theme. Also, because if I scroll it rotates mine in a clockwise direction. Also for this and this, you can just simply copy the code, and because it is a very extensive code, so I will not be explaining everything, but you can just simply copy my code. This is the card cover code. For the card heading, you can just copy this. For the card heading spam, if you are familiar with HTML and CSS, then it should not be a problem for you to just simply copy and paste it. This is the card details. Card detail for the ordered list, card detail for the unordered list. Basically this is the ordered list and unordered list, and this is the list item. So basically this is that the nth last child. Now for this code, for example, I will show you this code. You want to copy it or not, it depends on you. Basically I am trying to make it responsive, so if you want to copy it, it's totally up to you. If you don't want to copy, it's up to you then, in both ways. So if you like the video, you want to make and add such cards in your projects, subscribe to the channel and copy my code. I will see you guys in the next video.